for and then so memo akwaba eba edwumedi eso onyame nhirawo say and then so wade ebre so beka yen ho ne no abom na esua onyankopon asem medin e the brother bless bugri mesnaw na video wo hwe yi wo be share na wadofo bi nso enye bi ahwe enne yen mo elbo nkomo afa ye man Ghana ho de e wo se wona me eti ase ne se Christopher eti oman mu a se oman ni koyi a e affect Christopher se nkoyi so a e affect Christopher na ekoyi a e wo se ebo abaso enkoyi nso a e wo se eka de beboa ama na koyi eni be pi ena ya otaka se wo ye osofo na otiman mu dia hwem na ka onyamesem na amamufo no so omunhwem na omunka oman mu ensem osofo biara efi oman bi mu na sade citizen biara right so oka oman mu ensem no sanso ena osofo nso right so oka oman mu ensem for osofo no difference I was say be mu ne say oka e was say the oka no eye non-partisan related. Se asamba omemu na se ye kan obi a oye normal citizen de ono oka sometimes no otumika no aka ma ne party but obi a wo so ye osofo onyawe nipa no se asamba na wo ka bi a enye party nti na wo ka wasam na mom wo ka wasam bi se eye ewrade ana ese kan sa onyame ese yanka na kure enti o se nipa nyina e ka na kure enti nda de yere bebo nkomo e de afa ye man ho hwe wo kan Romans chapter 10 verse 1 and 2 Paul e kan say ebusuafo makoma so ade amepe ene me nkotosere amekoto o mebo mpa ye ne say anka Israel for ebenya enkwa na medi omo adanse ye say omo wo onyame sumpa ho mbodembo nanso omo nni no nimde emu Paul Romans 10:1 to 2 no o kire yen say owo odo edema ne man Israel na ne nkofo Jewfo no opon wasem eno nti na Paul nyaye a anka ne nkofo abenya nkwa e de ma omukra bigina hei me ya Ghana ni entime nso minyaye a enka nkwaje bi ebe ya Ghana fo dia minyaye a enka Ghana fo ebenya nkwaje na nkwaje America no dati nkwaje ho asam na dati na enya mbaye no minyaye a enka man Ghana enya asumdue minyaya anka omanga na enya mpuntuo minyaya anka omanga na mumba enya enka nkobi ewa abrabo no mu oh minyaya anka Ghana fo eni eje eno nti se bibi koso emmoa ma saa enigye no emba Ghana fo afemu a na ewo se mikabi na mamedie no America no e was say a non-partisan. And you said the American party being in America, and I'm probably something American, Debbie. No more make a summon said you sit here and Casancasa. Now you also for the wood me. And I walk on some wood yema. Can you say? And some be a cost so many more. One Catawani and feet and some home. No one behave as if and found home. If you say, what the sa na etinu ababa ya sam e de me yina so konfo ni to komu na o se ekonu mgba sa konfo no otimu ebi na nsem yaman Ghana asem ba ko a ekoso a wonim na menso minim afa abrantie bi ho a sa abrantie ne fe no Twene Jonas na wonim no a ono ne abrantie a ote America na otatwa videos na ni video ni nyina de opesa kyerɛ ne sɛ wokɔ amanone hɔ a omo system no e work better na ye the system is not working wonim no ɛna me nso menim no abrantie ba ya kyɛ na nansan ɛna ne ho nsɛm bi asɔre na nsɛm na asɔre efi sɛ abrantie yi akɔ kasa edi etia asantehene otumfuo die ba ne sɛ sɛ wonim story na asantehene ɛna ɔkasa yɛ obedwam ɛna ɔka sɛ enipa a ɔmo yɛ galamsey no ahemfo bɛyɛ 30% a na ɔmo odwabɔ n'ase no ɔmo nim saa nkɔfoɔ no na otumfuo ɛka sɛ ɔmo nyinaa ɔmo nso ɔmo tiri ase ɛwɔ ne wuo mu wambɔ ɔmo din na Twino Jonas ni video yɛ no de ɔkan ne sɛ anka ɛwɔ sɛ otumfuo ɛbɔ ɔmo din na ɔka nsɛm bi ka ho a nkɔfoɔ bu ni sɛ nsɛm no ɛnyɛ ne die towards the otumfuo ebusuafoɔ saa asɛm wei a generate a lot of anger enipa pii ebu efu abranteɛ no ebi sɛ yɛsɛ wakasa ɛde etia asantehene otumfuo na asɛm no baeɛ no ɛnyɛ ebufuo nko na nkɔfoɔ bu efu enipa pii ɛna abɔ abranteɛ dua sɛ bibi ɛbɛyɛ no ebi sɛ wakasa ɛde etia asantehene otumfuo ende me baya die me baka kyerɛ wo okristoni ene me ho ene obi a wutie me ne sɛ ɛyɛ yankasa ene ya pene so ama na basa we are the cause of this thing na sometimes wrong adeɛ no yɛ no ɛmfa yɛ ho ɛde kɔpem bra ɛbɛba abɛde yɛ na ho so wonim abranteɛ ofi ba ya atabidi abranteɛ di wɔ Ghana asɛ no ɛnyɛ bidi abranteɛ si aseɛ wɔdidi atam saa abɛpem ɛnɛ abranteɛ edidi ɔmampani atam so many times abranteɛ edidi abampanifo atam so many times wɔn nyinaa mu no Ghana fo yɛ hwɛ videos na yɛ de ayɛ asresɛm oh abranteɛ ne ho ani kan ne etwa so oh abranteɛ ne ho ani kan ne etwa so ensɛm na ɔka no kwan na sɛ ensɛm no nyɛ kwan na ɔte ɔman Ghana mu a obetumi aka kyerɛ me sɛ this system is working nobody can say that obiara tutum sampa the system is not working we are aware but Twino Jonas ni approach no ɛyɛ very very questionable na ofi baayɛ Ghana for yɛn kan hwee da yakaya no ɛde atum ana yɛtie bra abranteɛ edi mpinfo dwe atam yɛbu fuda abranteɛ de atam ama sabe ɔmampani po wanfa ne ho ankyɛ no ne nyinaa Ghana for we are aware na eba ne sɛ na afɛ deɛ edu otumfo so na ɔkeka yɛ a afɛ na yɛse yɛbu afuo ebusuafo ewiase no mpanifo se edua enyewa ebe wo ani no yetu ase na yentwa so tie ne ye na mentete ebe ne mu na wadwen anka bibi fufuro amfa nkyerɛw sɛ yɛmpɛsɛ nka yɛbɛduru ha sɛ ya anka brante ne hyɛ ase na ɛna nka wɔ sɛ yɛno no ɛkasa sɛ young man your message is very very good your ideas are very very fine but your approach is not the best anka brante hyɛ ase sɛ odi mpanifo atam Ghana ase no ɛna nka wɔ sɛ yɛka bibi ne kyerɛ no sɛ Twino Jonas yɛsrew once more what can I fine yɛnyina ditum say the country is not working our systems are not helping us we all agree anka wo say ye no na eka say nensam na oka na eye pa nenso atembidie no ebe ya anka onyim frimu if you say you can get your message across without insulting anybody nenso abranti efi baye Ghana for yaka no atum ana say oye video no a ye gina ye boje ne so say wa ye ade onkoso na onka em say ye gina ye gitum say so di aban benifo na tam de a enye hwe nemo odeba otumfo de a eye hwe ebusafo nimia no gina nye it's not right say obi ebedi di mpeni bi atam so sabe oyo otumfo sabe so your man peni o ana sabe oyo ban peni bia no we do not have to insult such people and make no and pray abranting message no good the systems are indeed not working but the approach no therefore questionable but Ghana for yankasa ani apene so hwe abrofo say wonne kraman di agora sabre otafre wonsa ho sa wonne kraman eta di agora sa na oyo edi ba bia na opasa otafre ho abranti ese a odi mpenifo atam yaka anu atum enti anu so sabe aye na say atemdi no di a hwe ensi enti obiara mpo a obetumi di atemdi na ayen akọ so na say yakom ete ho na brante ediatem na fe odegopie asantege no so a afa ni egbofu ana oh ya na yakọ so en maka no it's not right so be di obiara atam nanso asasro na nka wo say ye kata kire no afa the truth of the matter is that insulting has become part of his brand ewiase you are there branding or branding ho Shino Jonas on social media we gather a lot of followers into our branding now sa branding na no atem di dia na ka hubi e kana branding no ho into asas ni e kan ya anka udaye anka onfanka branding no ho but the truth of the matter is that currently what ka branding say onjai atambidie pa wa ha no woka say onjai atambidie pa ebe affect no yankasa ani yakoso yankasa ani apene so ani ati o memu ena obi didi mpedifo atem ni age ebo no so sometimes on aya na mete youth na se if you say abranti na semba na say em say almost 85% of the youth support him youth no ya bre e o man mu enti say abranti we edidi mpedifo na tama bebe na e support say ondi o matem na nansan na me fi o boys na yete ho ana me bi say am say na dia Jonas oye no ana maka no the message no good the ideas good nanso the approach is problematic me bi say me boys na say dia Jonas oye no opese onya results ana say opese o trendy these two enso so nya edantamu say wonya results and say wo trend no enso so nya edantamu ye ka so binya results eno say asama aba na wo ka no wo botai ne say wo ka so that there will be a change so you don't care whether you trend or not. You are just after the progress. Say, change you eba no and the here wo. And na ye wo bi nso a. Ade a oye no. change bo change am bo emfa no ho ne dia ne say opese trend opese obi a ebo ne din enu nti e na oye de oye no Adrantia Jonas me de make no so many times so wo messages no e good yan benifo yi anka omonhwa ma no ne de omo ye nanka sabe omontumi ne same thing mpo a anka bibi ese no omonyama yen nanso ambaso enti Jonas wasam no e good ba nanso your approach is the issue wo approach no e na enye wo approach of insulting no e de trending e na de ba but emfa progress no emfa ba emfa change no emfa ba se yati omamu na yesesa be mpenifo edisika yese mpenifo are not running the country well also do you think say ye didi omo atama and the member omo running country ni ye ana wo ma demu dabi if you say insults does not bring results atembidie emfa nsusunie papa bia emfa ba se ebe bibia na ede ebufuo na ede ba when the catcher was say you cannot make a difference by not insulting anybody sure uko America onipa ba ko a America for Anthony Diagro aye Martin Luther King Martin Luther also revolution in America about blacks and whites no more. Martin Luther was part of the change. Man, they America blacks no in us from Martin Luther is original here. So many times. And my blacks no. Man, they American poor. You were there. You try to say Martin Luther Day. It was not for. Question say, did Martin Luther insult anybody? No. You can go and watch the clips of Martin Luther. This man was an orator. Say, Papa, kasa, jai. Okan samna etuwa bam 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 atembide di mo, but then samna kiwa you will change. Martin Luther etumi koso this big revolution in America. But he did not insult anybody. And you know, Yantia said, we can also make changes. We can also bring about revolutions without insulting anybody. Jonas, uba to me abwa magana aye ye wabla wundi obiara atem. Nanso yani aye ena mende wo so aduru sa. Enka siase ma na edi kan gatan say masa ye slow. They all can here fine na mom no change your approach na enka boaye. Na nsay na se me ba ye. Nipa binum bonu ndia no. Sa wo hwe amrantie a omo so gina ye defending no a omo nyina atemedie enko a ane insults ababaka branding no eho. The insult is now part of the branding. Ebusafo and I will say me also for me to many women come and I won't keep quiet. Men ya ko masa ansem we enko so many mu. Yet ne sa ade bi ba na sanya ye ni kan enkasa enye. Now say hypocritical attitude. Say e pa me ho dia e na me react. But say en fa me ho dia ene me kom na ma hwe. Therefore silence is not always golden. Atutu. Anya da nyina e na oye kom e de empuntuo ana say eye papa e ma ngofo. Sometimes we need to talk. Aroba with me. The other say when nyina ba ye galam say. Say ate oman mu. Na ya pene so ma China for e de country adana galam say sites. Esay yensuo ama ndey a wote Ghana say so ubi o pipe na ba na ya reho ensuo na dia efi say chom timigina he menkai the last time no pipe at erebo be 10 years ago menam pipe da pure water ya na enom onyame bo ani anom bottled water na ya no ba say me be mu pipe na ma nom de empare me e say misro na de tell misro fi say ensuo no ebedu Ghana Water Company na aya fi say twom enti ndro a ye ni purify ensuo no e wo so mo for in the double portions na edro so de ebede na wonom bebregu yemu a e affect wo enti na say Ghana ha say na say sa news no ba ye ye wo nkola sa nkola na bi mu ani afo ebi mu ni ani ebi mu ni wene ebi mu ni ano adan a ensuo no enye painful ba na onum nsuo asabe enye na by dan na bibi boni wo mu a en affect ne ba enti de ye no wu eye boni ene ye yankase ye ho ye ho boni na listen sometimes ye can say some way ya now be percent on the current government that be you then I say our problem is not about any party and that party as some if we say party for no ye change and say our problem has to do with the leaders. The vision of the leaders no are problematic and greediness are too. Their vision and greediness. What say our leaders now? One say, how is it hard to run a country like Ghana? How hard can it be? A country blessed with so many resources, but Annie, and you pono resources no, yeah, the answer to win too. Galam say that say Ghana say one to me say China for. Well, it's yet your memu. Yes, say o man no. Na empuntuo anasa mfaso de no ekopie o man wo for so. Shame on us. It is answer when you say Trinidadians ka. Me no dey adwen e so ka. If say our systems are not working. But Trinidadians say your approach is not the best. It's not right. So be dim penny for them. It's not right. Ebenum ebetumi awo ba. And I make no. So what the onipanatama? What do you gain? When you self-gratification, make din attempt. Insults do not bring results. Never your argument advancement no and the result ever. Once I'm walking wrong, she said, "Yeah, now make a point." Now opening it here, I didn't know I need a bufu. Now me penny what the matem video no me hwa me de bufu na hwe. Enza me wo ka asam ba kwa mintie. If you say, "Madinyan say you have insulted me." Ebutanfo ya ni so e na ndey ekodu sa gina bia no. Say asantenye na otumfo a yemfa asam nko no so no. Afa de Trinidadians ede nasam akwakodu asantenye ne eso. Ebutanfo meko so maslo say video wo hwei share na odofo bi enya bi na onhwe mamenta asemi evanchelo eya ka se video so mo share fa maye ne a eya na eni abrepa na ye ka sa ebusanfo ebi say videos na ye twa ebre mammo hwe no endafo msa o na wo de ende mesada eyi bibi e da tro broni say behind the scenes answer me do studio ha say ye betwa video no ebusanfo na nipa after bibim enti ya ba na say some say mo share videos in from anya a enya hwe e mo share me what said ya be ya obi nsu menye bi ahwe na video no aya mfaso de e de ma oman no ene nipa bebre kwa na wo de ma me be kekra bi na menyi video we emfanchira video we e ya bra me simu anapa na me ka say me ko studio e ko twa video na wo de hwe me simu ene me ko du won se me si ye de wo se ni be fam until say e be twa video no hwe sansa mi na me san ba ya to aso. Ebuja for me din e de brother bless Bugri oja me shiro send den so abaka ye ho ene dem ba wontani a na ye de me defend ena e de ebrewo and pay me ko na Marco record video unu say Onyankopon ensem ena ya ye de ebrewo
na ndem pese me yi bibie di ade kira wo say videos na ya record eba no eya na de bia na yakase mu nhye mfa mayen se da be ya ne bebre bi bi ahwe na video no ayem faso e de ma nipa nyinara yakasa so many times every say videos na ya de bre wo no busanfo eya ya bre anse na etumi etwa videos no me fie mini studio ayo ho inte wo se me nante ekọ baby no ho a eho ene studio no wo eho na ekọ record video no ente ndem pese wo ka me ho na me ko nyina no mi ensem bi edit rew na hu de efemu ansa na e videos no abrew inte na pay dia fi ene me besimu me ko am focus mienu baako bebe agency mete Accra na Kumasi da bi me water crowd na specifically baby efe wo kwesimentim na studio no so Faco Media Productions no Minia Frank Nero eno so ewo Anaje Mount Zion no bi anim ta crowd nim say efi me kwesimentim eko Anaje Mount Zion no emutwa elentino ende me be ko ho na me pese mu ka me ho na me kire mu sa enema no currently there me gina asorodan ehun aha kwesimentim Church of Christ Church of Christ kwesimentim baby a me bo esu church no enie se asorodan ni ya me gina ne nchen ho ntimu hu enim no but ase asorodan ni nchen ho a mu si esoro no ede aka ho me be yi ma de wa se nti afei ene me be simu na mako Anaje ho na yekutwa videos no kwesimentim of Christ baby a osempekani a friend no Charles Ken Arthur edwuma ono ne ba ene Kofi Ken Arthur enti Kofi Ken Arthur ne papa yete oyo osofo no nukre oyo chef ka osempekani a ne church a odan no ene kwesimentim asafo tebusafo me besimu na mako medikan akofaka edikan na itire no mefi ho a mafaka etoso mienu enti me share will be on mafaka I toss me and be say me go station ma me ntumi engita camera ni say enti no monka me hona mu hu de efemu ansa na the videos na abre wo say and the ewia na ebo pa yi onye me share o message so baka hu bio for now bye. Okay, busanfo onyame adom maba ebedu ahaye Anaje Cancer Road ekwan so me ko Mount Zion ti afi na mbe second car no e mache take you approximately 45 minutes and me defi kwesimentim ebedu ahase cars ni me eje sometimes make me ananti ana menyaka but I'm hoping then there menyaka na mato asom dia ko Mount Zion enti afi na me kodu Mount Zion wangasa before so e wo de menyaka enko dia studio no wono enti eno so ayese me nante na me ko ekodu ho tebunafo onyeme djuma ndi wo so wo ya den a sacrifice ewum enti no e wo se omi weni na weye enti egu so enkakanga kra tie some videos na mo share my why if you say that was onyame adom menyaka anti buzafo misia yebeto aso buzafo anti maba ebesi ewo bebi friend the cross ewo so ewo manzan wa anti dia kan de journey by road menante na mako dafi de so what can offer dropping there of course Canada before but skasaminti offer dropping na obe short ntem say maybe mechanic na abumu a approximately 5 cedi enem de bedu ase but what can dropping on for on kwa obejo what dey talk by 15 cedi inti musumi abanti emetumi anante kama inti dia kan de nante enko na maybe nante na mako ewia no na ha dwen enye easy ewia no sisi papa nenso e wo say ye fem se de be nyampon edwuma betumi akoso na we na me ye ne sa no enye say dia mbete me tese me bre of course preacher for bre na ebre Wabra almost some become on young for some. Maybe the enemy the extra way. Obi the one into yana a say preacher for every, but a preacher for every. Into sometimes when I'm able to miss that which me abwa, when preacher be okay on young pong as some panel. We say a jumano and enough of Uko pretty, Ube do honum sometimes, Ayana a assem. But media and the video make channel and no struggles and of course we know any idea they may be say if you take videos in the agenda they are famous me plan it sir when you may have done to me enya baby I come and meet now meet me a studio or me feel small studio be when you a dime be what they done half be I studio no if you say your studios name you should instead of your sir but me be until I call Minia Frank Nero. We saw no na if your wife studio are ultra videos made my and I'm in Quampo to me. In running baby and Minia Frank, a chat almost. In the final, they mean Anaji Mount Zion. Now, me call baby specifically a friend of the cross. And to me, Nancy, I could be not a sank of a glass and quan, so had it. Glass, the one for my and foot room quan. Ubedu now aye and foot room. Inti the and the pan becasam no more ebeyeno. And one ibu so aye. So far no, me try more than 1 hour. Mindru ho. Na if you could do on so nanti no, e much men nanti ache. Ansana makoy could do until the maybe be at that show. Say they see videos no, say they see edit Nina me at that show. Now when we say Jimedeni yedi no. Media yeni abre ayedi. Sometimes no videos no. Here remember some more share. And a simple. So say video na me share. And of course, a call for every production. Say movie na wo show, say preaching na wo show, even brother than who say same akwa the videos sometimes I'm record there. I am a hobby. Don't and you no every but then ankasa so every bi. Enti no say a konya mpon sem pan there we say me ni every. Na mo nso mo boa yen Facebook no aya meta express on say mo nhyem fa mayen dia share no ayen say wo share no say videos say you play Church of Christ TV. Church of Christ TV egita enipa close to 15,000 or more I like his page no and you play videos na sani pani nyina no so more online there on benye bi na omahwe but you bet me reaching for more than that na no whereby when you pay biara wo be video ni bi no wo be share if the one gasa no wo friends wo Facebook wo into wo na say wo share no so a emma obi a your friend unlike it Jesus Christ TV no on mo minya kwenya if your video ni bi wa bra unlike page no but so one share your more lucky page no kwana for many video no ashe anything young man anything na express one say mun share videos no fama yen na mo yen sa na na abu ama ensema ye kan etumi ekwechi etiegu nantie no eso say media kasa na mahwe krum kakra ewe no semi ana me bi ye me wonde me nyina ye pop enti me koso enche me do Onia Frank Nero if you hwe mo ho a bag asan me ho eye no na mentade me hye edutwe video no ewom we eye camera the same me so a tripod and the camera na esi so nti abobo ye ho aye konte busanfo aye kan desi me do Frank corner ye beto aso ai fona de mo me no mensuo bi na abre busanfo onyame adom enche na maba ebedru Faco Media Production baby Minia Frank Nero ni studio na ewo no studio na fie na wa pe one room bia ofie ho a ye de studio no specifically onyankopɔn nsɛm ko an ye record wo ho na ye edit na ye ho adwuma enti no aka krabi na meduru ɛhɔ me back camera no me phone no back camera na enye na say enti na me use phone no ko an ka at least edit na ka wo so an ka be fine but eno asa enti front na ye manage enti mo hwɛ me saa anya hwɛ ni na ka ho bi ɛna ɛso enti meduru mfie ho a ɛno no na tell me kan no if you go see him e video ha say no me use kra me use be 1 hour 20 minutes and so me ba bedu Faku Media Productions ho enti MC if you wanna me do no hwa if you know any see one why no small garden when if you say ya ija ya bana say come be the any a itumi nya body bi edible artist here tibusha for yam say ya ba bedu enti no first part of the video no there yewie afei the beka aye recordings no so the be record measurement ade e be record na e be edit ni na e be ya chamo Pocho good morning Pocho Franco wa Pocho wanga chama bye Tewusan for ya babedu anka ya be record the video no ba unfortunately for Ghana omoyede
dum so
we
dum light sisia
light ne dum enti metwen na do almost light na ya to so studio one o eshi and we also esumti without light ni to be in video enti it was a
make sure that
when you had the muffin no more light no after 3 hours na ya train e mo more light enti ya fa be record video no enti studio has any and one a simple studio ya manage the videos no for now anything no but they come and be so say we do it we then this one yeah eduma nti de opesa ohwe no na wahwe Wanti masimata de bi ya setup ewie enti no ye camera no esi ase we na ye sa recordings we and na kita menu enti we are all set nti afi na record the first one and then record me no enti no ye be record video enti when me enka yo ewie a me sa go chen ebio me din and the border bless booking when I was so and the bar next week you better have on chain na ya to addition so stay blessed my bluetooth the bush for ye made the first video no aba ewie ya record the first video no ewie enti afei na e be record the second video no mabre enti me rest for like 10 minutes bi na ya the second video no etumi ato so ye record two so that ya next week no men sign mechi emba ahabio enti na bo nsraw so that so na hwen ne de famu ene de eye na etumi e de videos no e de abrel
Yeah.
Hey.
It's okay. Yes. 9.
See.
Yes.
I don't go here. I found. Okay. Ain't no. Maybe I say I don't know. Maybe you know. Yeah, but second preaching no. I say. Ain't no. You be a. Now we see more.
3, 2, 1. Action.
Other phone I'm going to show. Say and then so I back at home. Say anywhere bomb day and see on your phone. Medi at the brother bless Bugri. Yadusia. Yanusia. Suicide is never the answer, no. And then any animal ever a year. And then of course ever too. It was a for into Nangwadum. Afe enemy second video no and so into them by we play 2 videos. But we 30 minutes. Into Magasa for 1 hour. Udum say Medina AC. Into no when I'm going show. Say what can I share do sabi. Afe and ebe editing no. Into my small time be now they are editing also. When I first so your film na edit video no. And also e mamu a. Into no so kan ho. Na hwe kwa first edit videos no. Onya me show. Okay, into ebusan for ye twa videos na ebi. They are kai editing no. Aye ba be editing na. Onia Frank ono ye the senior editor. And the dimension me hwe bi. Say videos na ye no. Ono editing, me na pretty the dimension me hwe bi. But ono ye senior editor or edit videos no. Anyway, o kan obi. And edit brother no say some videos ni nya. O kan obi na editing ni na audios everything. Frank e kan obi and edit. Brother race on the video Frank na edit. Say videos beyond social media of Christ videos no. On your way and or edit it. Nti am we kan no one pie bom. Editing no so ngu disa no ye dwuma mu a. Editing no according to him. Editing back maybe video say 30 minutes. Editing we made the 2 hours. We editing ko a. Wo hia. Wo be export and also be the 2 hours ana.
2 hours.
2 hours answer na export no so ewie. Nti editing no so ye dwuma mu a. Nti e be edit na wo dey obesha kakra na e mo abeyeye ende. For the editing is you know, I feel and and of course, so the kind of 2 hours now you can. It's the whole purpose of the American my friend a pana Mr. Breno. And they say, we say videos na your channel. Yeah, you're great. Nah, I don't know. I was saying I won't cry say videos na your bomb one day say. Me and some videos no player. Me send me break what. In any way, videos or save me qua. Onia set, Onia Kingsley. In any way, George Mena, the woman I must say, I'm going to be one of making. Be able to say, Munina, I miss some. Members master must say, Mama, I'm going to say videos, I'm going to video. Brother, written a video, brother, who says a video. Chef guys, pretty video, Biara. When you send some, I can answer panel. Mama, yes, said the band, some quick, saying, I don't have bread. And Sunday to me, the video say, Eddie Abro. Maybe I say, me do on the partner, but 10. This is about 5 and you still na young of you. May just me fear say, now about you 7. In the say, you man, no, adding, but need them when you may one day, maybe so. In the young some in your normal with me, I am supporting me now. Any million young for M1. Baby, I am with me, BC and if I share how far. You boys send me and tell them, young for his summer. Now, you cost a bomb pay so. When you can see your set, you don't want to for platform with creative. I use you to me count your one semper. Editor, if you are self and auntie, Madam, I send us a video way. They may just send the moon. Quite fast, need to make the videos no at the April. So, brother, there's Boogie. I'm out for now. You better try preaching as well.
Brother Frank Nero, I'm also out.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Odafo na menhirawo say watch a video no na ohu ebre a edipa bre ansa na etumi edi videos na brew ente busan fo yesra mo say ka say mo share videos no fa man ni a eya mo share man wate na wo share man ni a bibia ento onyame ebese wasa kwan no so eso na ye nto so ente na me ne mo eba ewiye o say Chinuja na snase mo eba he no ade ba ko a Ghana say Yehu bebre kwa ayeduabo. Ye mpanimfo no so ahye aduabo se. Bebre na abodudua. Na nanse amuso betem traditional council for so ebodudua. Na aduabo na mobo a memehwe bi, na membese mehwe. Ba we de mehwe pa na ana ehomto. Se omokum aboa. Na aboa na da homo titwa. Na mo hwe ensa guso. Ede bo abrante edua wo de video no hwe na me ba ya to aso
ene ne maame manhene dansoa o na akwara busuafuo yi wasase wo firi bechem a wo firi sabe atechem eye chidom abusuam sabe o mi asonafo akwara busuafuo yi akoka beka wo mo ama sabe ene nananom ahia traditional council ni nya no akobenkro sada bi yewura nko asanteman ewura dina abamu no yesi ya tran ye fie ni atran ye fie na sabe akasa ni asori akọ enyayi o se ya amamre ma akura busuafuo yi bamfo ha akura ya chie a o me akura duaduam ama ne ndi na na makotra ententan abaso yi eso no ya freno internet social media ene ha ni abai sabe akura busuafuo yi nti ya amamre wakasetia sabe atafo hene anso akwasa akasetia yewia na se tu abebio ne kumnipa ne atrawa makura yi abo yewia dini aka nsem ni atrawa sa na no monye na akura busuafuo yi ba bi owo bia no monko hwe akura yedi maso ana akura yi edi bechem dini etu atopre sabe bechem je kura sabe eyekuro fun yeko otufo ko sabe esa aha no beche nuoma edukran ayata abekwen ani boboduro asante omredi okonfuko kwa anim aya de ko sa yeko jamansa yeko domansa ni nyina no sabe aha beche ya se ani yefre ha bechem no aha de beche nuoma ye tra ho ama akura busuafuo yi sabe nananom wa de achamye no atwitwiri form oja akotoko hene a wakeka sansem hunu no akura ifuma de ani kire ana enye no ya de kununi nsumu afiya ntono kire ya o meta santi ni tiri kwa wa de abamu no mama afiya nto akwara no dabi
ebutafo onyamiso se oda hwara eka ye ho wo hwe video no na ohu eduabo na omodo bo abrante no yede kan kwa say ablafo say two wrongs does not make one right so obi ya bone na wo so ya bone ni bi edema no a emfa buntu bia emfa mba ewo msa abrante no yese omapachawo na wo tie nsem kan mu a ase onye oma dwimu de me Kristo ni enti duabo no me Kristo ni mi ntum sana wo so wo tie me we Kristo ni a duabo no wo ntum Bible no entre yensa na mom no ya ye kan nyina ne se yemfa nya adusua emfa ma ye ho me de ne kwa me ka chewo no Chino Jonas bebi we du sesi ano atem bibie no jaya enye yie ewi se abaka branded ne ho anka ye pese ojaya anka asasena na nka wo se ye ka tatere no ma ojaye enda de akokọ no wo ye den na wojaye fa ya adusua ama ho fa adusua emo abrabo adibo wonsa asasena se wo mpa ententem na jai wo ye eye kwa etiri na safa be kese a na wankasa wontumi enyai na afa de sa de no e de haw e na e de ebrewo enite busuafo yenkoso ne enka ka ye ho e wo mpaibom afa nso abrante ne enka no mpaibom se onyame mmoa no na adwensɛtɛ bi ɛmba na kwan mu ana yɛ ka no dwumadi odi no fine pa na o say ɔno pɔ de videos no ya o say yɛn hwɛ America ɛna Ghana for who yɛn ka say Ghana ɛnda na America yɛn ka sa we just want the social amenities we just want them simple good roads water simple things na Ghana for yɛpo ɛno so yɛnya ebusafo na ɛbɛdan na yɛka say the system is working indeed the system is not working but insults is not the answer if you neko won so wo kasa de tempelifo a be careful if say enya no kwa na oka ye mo pi sa na yete ye tempelifo na tem e na make no wodi opinion na tem a atembie no emfa punto bia emfa ma na atembie ekomuni pa sanka na one pewu number 1 oye Ghana for du kadaya ode musika eto aso yi sanka atembie ekomuni pa anka number 1 wewu nanso odaso na mo ahwe no enti insults does not produce results onyame nso me na efi ndeko yehu the right way ai be so na ma edumedie e de bibia etumi ayekama na answer na be ko no ma me fa announcement we entum anim ebusanfo we de yendase ene de emamo mo wakaya some months ago ena ye de tum anim say ye hia video camera na ye de twa videos no na etumi ayekama onyame adom enuanu fumipem aboa amenda menemo kase ye nse tumi akakama no ene ye ho akade a ye de etwa videos no enti onyankopon enhyiamu nyinara mo a motum bo aye mo a montum ambo a mo mo mpa ebo anyina no onyame enhyiamu ye nso yakoso kan mo mpabom so na mo enhyiamu nsa no nyuma nyinara na mo nkoso enya nhira na mo nkoso nya komapa enfom bo onyankopon ene ne dwuma enti sika na mo sande ade ba for camera no yes na mo munjai sa sika no for camera no afi so wo sande sika bi a na eye be different na wo sande ne mo anya camera na onyame enhyiaw se obeye ne sa medin ede brother bless bugi mesan aba on tembio bye bye